These are some must-solve questions from CDS 1 2023. For those who are preparing for exams such as UPSC CSE Prelims or CAPF, they must solve these questions from CDS 2023. Which of the following are the objectives of the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana? Correcting regional imbalances in the availability of tertiary health care services, providing universal access to public health services and universal immunization, augmenting facilities for quality medical education in the country. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1 only, 1, 2 and 3. So answer will be 1 and 3. Let me know in the comment section in which year this scheme was launched. Which one among the following departments/authorities is not under the Ministry of Home Affairs? The Department of States, the Department of Official Language, the National Authority Chemical Weapons Convention, Department of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh Affairs. Answer is C, the National Authority Chemical Weapons Convention. Who among the following were referred to as the Theris in ancient India? Respected women, elder nuns in Buddhism, women denied the bhikkhuni status, women expelled from the Buddhist Sangha. Answer is B, elder nuns in Buddhism. What will be the correct sequence of cities on the bank of river Ganga if someone moves from west to east? Prayagraj, Kanpur, Bhagalpur, Patna, Prayagraj, Bhagalpur, Kanpur, Patna, Kanpur, Prayagraj, Bhagalpur, Patna, Kanpur, Bhagalpur, Prayagraj, Patna. Kanpur, Allahabad means Prayagraj, then Patna, then Bhagalpur. In all the four options, Patna is at the last. Option B cannot be correct because Kanpur comes first. So both these options are wrong. In these two options, Kanpur, Prayagraj, Bhagalpur, Patna is the most appropriate answer. Now, according to the map, as we can see, Bhagalpur is here and Patna is here. Let me know why in the option first there is Bhagalpur, then Patna. Next, which one among the following states has the longest extension in north-south direction? Jharkhand, Telangana, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. Answer is D, Chhattisgarh. Next, cheetahs brought from Namibia were introduced in India to which one of the following national parks? I made a video on this also. Answer is Kuno National Park. In plant cells, RNA is present in cytoplasm only, nuclei and cytoplasm only, nuclei, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast and endoplasmic reticulum, nuclei, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast and ribosomes. Answer is nuclei, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast and ribosomes. They have RNA. Which of the following strategies are adopted for implementing the Poshan Abhiyan? Intersectoral convergence for better service delivery, use of technology for real-time growth monitoring of women and children. Select the correct answer using the code given below. You can solve this question applying some logic also. For implementation of any social sector policy, there is need for intersectoral convergence for better service delivery and use of technology. Government has been emphasizing on use of technology in various fields. So answer will be both 1 and 2. Next, which one of the following is a measure that can be used by the government for combating inflation? Increasing the non-planned expenditure on defense, police, providing more subsidies on exports, increasing the rate of interest on savings and fixed deposits, reduction in the cash ratio reserve. Question on inflation are being asked for last 2-3 years, and similar type of question was asked in last year UPSC CSE prelims also and also in CDS. Answer will be increasing the rate of interest on savings and fixed deposit. So there will be more savings in the banks, less money with the public, decreasing inflation. If you have any doubt on the answers, let me know in the comment section. You have seen how questions get repeated in UPSC CSE prelims in CDS. So please solve previous year questions along with your mocks, revise daily. And if you want to solve all previous year questions from 1979 to 2021 of UPSC CSE prelims, I have made a compilation. Link will be in the description and in the comment section pinned. You can buy from there. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.